Hello, fellas, welcome back to another coding video.
What? What?
Yes, we are back with another new coding video, and today is my first devlog video, not a fully tutorial video. Wait, are they same? Let me Google it first. Looks like they're not. So welcome to my devlog slash tutorial video where you can see me creating a software using Python, which is super easy, and I'm going to create a simple Python software. So you can also create it and you can use it because I'm gonna provide that link in the description. And in coding world, we all know Control C, Control V is a rule to use it if you know how to code actually. So now, I won't waste too much time of yours, and since I'm back to ruin your day, and if you're already having a good day, then I'm here to make your day more bad. And if you're having a bad day, I'm here to ruin your whole day. So, yeah, sit down, enjoy your ruined day. So, let's go to our computer screen right now. Let's go. So, before going to our main screen, I have to tell you that we need two main things. First of all, we need Python, and second of all, we need Qt Designer. And yeah, sorry, there is third thing that we must need, and that is brain. Yeah, let's go. And there is another thing we need, that is Pyqt5, a module of Python we need must be, because it's really important. Without this, you can't make anything using Qt, PyQt mainly. So yeah, don't forget to download that, brother. And since this is my first Python software development video, so yeah, you have to adjust it a bit because it will be not too much fun, but I promise I will make this series or playlist full of fun. And since you see that I have changed my content style a bit, no, you didn't change your content style, you just copied someone content style, bruv. Bro, I'm not copying. It's just having some inspiration, man. Come on. Why you guys are like this? Okay, well, let's continue. Are in our desktop. Let's create a new folder first of all. Name it to-do list. Okay, after naming that, now what we are going to do is open our Qt Designer. Select the main window and click on Create. Now, first of all, what we are going to do is remove the menu bar and the status bar because we don't need both of them, so we don't use them. Now, in the filter here, let's search for label. Take a label, close it. So now let me make it a bigger, not much. Now resize it to this side. Move it a bit up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. Now name it. Then whatever you want. Let's align them in center in Q level. Now let's change their font from here. How? Make them bold. Let's go. Perfect. Okay. So now what we are going to do? Take some more label. Ha ha! Like that. Okay. So make it a bit bigger, like this. Again, align the text center. Change the font bit. Make them bold. And okay. Change the task text level to task name. This is how it looks like. Now, hmm, now what we are going to do is use that special power what we what everyone has. Control C, Control V.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, maybe that's enough. So now you can say you are a professional spammer. Okay, task name, change it to task category and resize it. Oh, my bad. Let's change this to task description and task purpose, and at last status. I don't know why did I give this, but just give it, brother. Now adjust them by now adjust them perfectly. Okay, after you have adjust, come to the filter again and type line. You can get this line edit, move it right down here, and that's it. Just paste it, brother. Just paste them like this, and in task description we of course gonna use this line edit. Come on, man. Oh, let me align them perfectly. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
now they're looking. Now let's add a push button. You can see right here. Resize it. Double tap. Change the text. Now go to filter. Type list. Take the list widget. Move it into your window. Make it as big as the galaxy. Haha. Let's go. Everything is looking nice. Now click on this, and here right side you can find object name. Change it. Header. Task name label. So lab. TSKCTG lab. TSKDES lab. TSKPRP lab. TS lab. Wait, perfect. TSK name. Perfect. TSKCTG. TSKDES. TSKPRP. And STS. Now change the button to pools. And here will be task list. Everything is pretty easy. Let's change the background. Right click, change the style sheet, add color, add background color. Let's make it a bit gray. Not looking good. Again, right click, change style sheet, close that background color, apply. I'll leave it white. Don't know why. Just don't ask me, okay? Thank you. Now, what we are going to do is save this. So Control S, select desktop, use your folder, then save it. After saving it, just get rid out of this software. Go to your to-do list. Here it is, your untitled UI file. Now, you have to open CMD here. So click right here and type CMD. Hit enter to open CMD in this directory. Now we have to write a really amazing command. Go after me. Pyqt5 -x or -x, whatever. Take this name perfectly. Space. Put the name. Space. -o. Then give your file a smooth name. I'll name it main.py. Don't forget to use py or else your program will be blasted. Hit enter. Clear everything. Close the CMD. Open up your main.py. Now give it perfect space so it can work perfectly. I don't know why am I doing this, but yeah, just look how cute it looks after giving some spaces. Now everything is looking nice. So now let's add the wait, first of all let's check it out if it's working correctly. Run that program. See if it's working correctly. Okay, wait, why this button is not working? What's that noise? Boom, baby. Okay, so now we have to create the function add tasks. Tools. Here we take self. Now create variable task name. Just create. And at last, now let's come down to first one, task name. Type self dot tsk name dot text. Call it. Now same for every single one of them. Wait, I forgot to add another one. Okay. Oh, my bad. Oh, okay, everything is ready. Now let's create another variable info. Define an f string. task name, task, task category, and then task purpose, then task description, and at last task status. Okay, everything is ready now. Self dot task list dot add item. Add the info here. After that, come down to your button. Where is your button? Where are you? Button. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Now type self dot tools dot click dot connect self dot add tasks. Cool. Now run this. Task name, task purpose, status, add task. Huh. Oh, okay, my bad. Now let's run. Task purpose, status, add task. The task is ready. So that's it. So that's it. And at last, Control C, Control V, doing your job. Help me getting some more subs. And thanks a lot for watching this video. And I will see you again. Bye bye.